Hey everyone! Have you ever dreamed of owning a tiny home that's both stylish and compact? Well, today, I'm about to blow your mind with something truly incredible. Introducing the foldable Amazon tiny house. Yes, you heard that right. Foldable. Imagine this. You're traveling across the country and you pull out a flat-packed home from your truck. Within minutes, it transforms into a chic, fully functional living space. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But it's real, and it's amazing. So let's dive into it. This tiny house is designed for travelers and minimalists, offering a perfect blend of practicality and style. When folded, it's no bigger than a standard shipping container. But once you unfold it, you're greeted with a spacious interior that's nothing short of remarkable. Step inside, and the first thing you'll notice is the open living area. It's bright, airy, and feels surprisingly roomy. The designers have really worked their magic here. Smart use of space, clever storage solutions, and a layout that maximizes every square inch. On one side, you've got a cozy seating area that doubles as a guest bed. Perfect for those unexpected visitors or just lounging around. There's even a sleek fold-out dining table that can seat 4 people comfortably. Talk about versatility. Now let's head over to the kitchen. It's fully equipped with all the essentials. A compact fridge, a 2-burner stove, and plenty of counter space. There's even a nifty pull-out pantry to store all your goodies. Cooking up a storm in this tiny kitchen? Totally doable. But wait, there's more. Follow me to the bathroom. It's surprisingly spacious with a full-size shower, a composting toilet, and a vanity with storage. Everything you need to stay fresh and clean on the go. And finally, the piece de resistance, the loft bedroom. Climb up the ladder and you'll find a snug sleeping area with enough room for a queen-size mattress. There are even windows up here to let in natural light. It's your own little sanctuary nestled above the main living space. So what do you think? This foldable Amazon tiny house is truly a game changer for tiny home lovers, travelers, and anyone dreaming of minimalist living. It's compact, stylish, and unfolds into a cozy, functional home in just minutes. If you're as amazed as I am, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tiny home content. Drop a comment below. Where would you take this foldable tiny house? Until next time, happy tiny living. Bye.